Thanks for tuning in. So, quick little video, more carburetor stuff. I know we did a carburetor video a little bit ago on the race carburetors by Tony Morris, and matter of fact, well, we put that on the 66 Hemi Satellite. Got to get it right. Sometimes I mix these cars up. 66 Hemi Satellite, the blue one. We put the Tony Morris 850 on there, ran great. We also got two more carburetors in the works that Tony Morris is going to build. One is for a customer's Ford 460 going into a Bronco, and then the other one is Chevy 350 going into a 73 Corvette. I think it's 73. So anyways, this car, 68 Hemi Charger, and this is more of an original car for the most part, at least the motor is, and 426 Hemi with the Carter Carburetors, date coded 68, proper carburetors for the car. So these we sent off to a place here in Florida, and it's called All American Carburetor. All American Carburetor. They're North Florida, another Florida-based company, which is cool. We sent them these out, and they had these two carburetors. Actually, you can send them in the mail. We didn't send them. We drove them up there because they weren't that far. But you can send them in the mail, or you can drop them off, pick them up. But we sent them off, and they had them for 4 or 5 weeks, which I didn't mind. It's always a good sign if somebody's busy rather than, you know, turnaround time 2 days. Turnaround time 2 days. Something ain't right. So anyway, they had them for several weeks, and that means they're busy. That means they're good. So dropped them off, picked them up, and they look fantastic. They also tune them on a run stand. So I literally put these on the car, primed them, turned the key, started right up, and idled. I'm not saying you won't have to do some adjustments, but man, they're pretty spot on right from the time you bolt them on. And we've had thermal quads are built by those guys, quadro jets, Hollies. We've had a lot of stuff were built by those guys in the past, and it's always been a matter of putting it on, turning the key, and you're good to go. So anyway, I'll grab the camera, do a close-up, and then maybe do a walk around of the car. I'll start it up, and hopefully you enjoy. That's my old linkage there. You know, the linkage doesn't look that great. It's just old and original, but I like it that way. But just look at the plating on the carburetors. I mean, super spot on, better than new, if not just as good as new. And this was changed. The choke mechanism was changed. I had them put an electric style choke here on the back primary carburetor, and at one time it had a pull cable from the factory. It had a heat riser style that ran down to the exhaust, and those didn't work that great. So somebody back in the day changed it to a cable. I'm changing it to the electric, and just experimenting. Doesn't mean I can't put it back. Doesn't mean we can't go back to original, and that's what it's about. Just keep trying and tweaking till you got it 100% to your liking. All right, let's fire it up. And as of now, no adjustments. No adjustments. guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe, comment, and I can always use the help and the advice.